Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to stop Instagram sharing posts on Facebook. And in order for us to stop Instagram sharing posts on Facebook, all we have to do is launch the Instagram application on our mobile devices. And from here, we're going to tap on our profiles icon located at the top at the bottom right corner of the screen to access our profile. From there, we're going to access our settings, so in which we are going to tap on the menu icon, which is the three horizontal lines located at the top right corner of the screen. From here, we are going to scroll down and tap on account center. Here at account center, we're going to scroll down and tap on accounts, which is located here at the bottom. And from here, we're going to remove the Facebook account. And when we want to remove Instagram, we ask for confirmation to unlink our Facebook account. And then we're going to tap on confirm, or we are going to confirm our decision. After completing these steps, our Instagram post will no longer be automatically shared on Facebook. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.